I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've forgotten your TikTok password, don't worry, recovering it is straightforward. Here is how to get back into your account. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. If you are already logged in, log out to reach the login screen. Step 2. Tap on Login. On the login screen, find and tap the login button. This will take you to the login options. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the Sherlock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Choose recovery method. You will be prompted to select how you want to receive your password reset link, either via email or SMS. Choose the method that suits you best. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Check your email or SMS for the reset link, click it, and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see the email. Now you're all set to log back into TikTok with your new password. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to TikTok support. Happy TikToking!